Sup everyone, it's the Wolf again for a new video, and you know what's up. You just know what's up, man. On today's video, gonna be looking at British pound versus the Japanese yen. All right, so please guys, like and subscribe. So on today's video, guys, it's simple. We do what we always do, man. Always do what we always do. Go to the highest time frame. And what's the importance of the highest time frame? It's simple. The highest, like a high time frame, guys, gives you an idea, of what to expect when you go to smaller time frames. You look into candlesticks, you learn how to read them, and then you see, all right, I'm seeing this. So you have that idea that, okay, this is what might just happen when I move to smaller time frames, which is why it's important when you start analyzing the market, you move to the highest time frame until you see something that makes more sense. All right, like now what I'm seeing a triple bottom, which, yeah, it's down bottom, and then it had a baby. All right, so what we do, we just put our trend, we put our level, all right, so because he had a baby, so we're gonna put it on the baby, man. All right, so don't freak out when I'm saying baby, man. All right, so that's what's up. We already know where the market might go next by just putting this top bottom, because it's not exactly where we want the market to go, but for in case if it goes, we know where it's gonna stop. All right, so now we look for more levels. We're just looking like what's happening, man, because as you can see, it's a double top, obviously triple top, so obviously what's gotta happen, it's gotta go down up until where the double top began. All right, so now we box it up. All right, so we have this level here. I see it's a very powerful one. All right, so now we have our main two levels, so let's move to 4 hour and see what's happening. All right, so stay at 4 hour. We look and we ain't seen nothing that's that tangible. All right, so yeah, we might have something here, All right, so we put it and we don't ignore it. When we feel like something, not when we feel, when we spot something, we don't ignore. All right, so yeah, still nothing is that clear for now. So keep on moving to smaller time frames. Plus, this is a currency pair. You know how currency pairs moves, man. Especially if you go to the small time frame, is 1 hour 15 minutes. All right, so let's look for the trends, for those small trends we're seeing. All right, because we already have our levels in place. So I'm seeing this small trend here. All right, so I'm just gonna put it up. Yep, everything corresponds perfectly. All right, so we're gonna be working on this trend we're seeing, because all we need is just direction, and then take everything from there, and then that's what we have. We have this trend. Let's see here what we have, and we also have it here, but this one is not so precise, so it's just not market. They might end up confusing us. All right, so let's put more levels that we see, because now you already have a solid idea of what is happening. All right, so there we have it. And then now let's see on the ground, what do we have? So let's move to 15 minutes. So you already see where this is going. We are boxing it up. All right, so 2 options, because you can see here is something like a triple bottom, which is like a double bottom like structure. So obviously down is a downtrend, and then when you see something like a double bottom, you know it's a reversal pattern. So likely what we expect to happen is to break these 2 structures, but man, 2 structures, like it's a downtrend, and where we at a resistance, so it's unlikely to go to break just like that. Like the forces are gonna be crazy for this guy to break, man. It won't break just like that. All right, so it might give you a fake out, and that fake out might end up here, and then you wonder what's happening. Like the market broke structure, but why did it return inside? It's because this is a downtrend. All right, this trend line here, it's for a downtrend, and then look, we are exactly at it, and then we have this level here, this resistance level. Come on, man. So we are likely to respect the levels. If we break structure, we're just gonna give you a fake out and then return inside. Alright, this is a possible theory. I'm not saying this is accurate, I'm not saying this is it. Alright, because we had this triple bottom structure like here, so meaning if we return inside, this is what we're gonna do, and then ended up breaking structure. But remember, from the highest time frame, what's our idea? Our idea is that we have to go down, all right, from our main structure. Like when we go to higher time frames, we have this triple bottom structure. So what we expect to happen is to go down, man. Just go down. That's what we expect to happen from the market. Okay, so but like I always say, we don't control the market, guys. We do not dictate the market. We respond according to what the market gives us. All right, so now we have two ideas. First idea is to give us a fake out and then reach here. It may look like a small move, but if you execute it perfectly, it might give you a lot of money. Remember, you don't have to trade it every day, guys, because I'm sharing 2 to 3 videos a week. So maybe for 2 days you eat this one, another 2 days that one, and then 1 day that one. All right, because you don't necessarily have to trade Monday through Friday. All right, just have to have those perfect days, man, that you make sure these days you execute perfectly. All right, but yeah, you can trade every day, but yeah, some days are not really worth trading. All right, because we do not control the market, guys. What we do, we respond according to what the market gives us. So for this coming week on GBPJPY, we have two theories, man. We have two possible moves from here, and then okay, something like that, or it's gonna give us a fake out, or it might not give us at all, maybe, and then break structure. All right, so a lot might happen, but already we know where we at. We know we are under two powerful resistance levels, and then our main idea from our daily structure told us that we have a triple bottom, meaning we might likely to go down, but obviously we're not gonna be so stick to that idea, not willing to switch if the market switches, because there are other levels we might be ignoring, which might result in the market making violations, and then we wonder what's happening. All right, because as you can see, lately we've been having a very powerful, strong uptrend, so likely the market might just respect it. All right, so then you wonder why the double top didn't respond. All right, so see, already we have this trend here, very powerful. All right, so, and as you can see, where the price is at now is very far from our trend line here, so meaning it is likely to keep going up or to just come down. All right, or maybe we have a new trend which we ain't aware of. All right, maybe this one. All right, maybe you just don't know. So for this coming week, just gonna wait and see what the market gives us, guys. You know, never control the market, never dictate it. So just gonna wait and see. But as you can see, this structure here, it's beautiful. We might even go again and retest. You know, go again and retest this level. All right, or maybe end up somewhere here at 167.500. You just don't know, guys. All right, so thank you guys for viewing, man, and thank you for all the support, for supporting this channel. All right, so please, man, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and yeah.